Okay, sometimes the bucket needs to be hand loaded because the pieces are either too small or too close to the house. Okay, and that's what you see here. All right, you're seeing the guys hand load the bucket to the Bobcat. All right, this is a pretty big Bobcat and it's got a pretty big bucket. All right, so it should take care of this deck pretty rapidly. We got some very, very, very chingon workers here today. Grande pito. Not chiquito, not chiquito pito here, huh? Yeah? All right, so the idea is that we load the bucket, take it out front, put it in the big truck, off to the dump. Okay, cool. All right, now that the tractor's gone, sorry, the air is full of concrete dust, okay? And there is such a thing called concrete lung, where the shit gets in you and it just doesn't come out. But here you can see a lot more of what we're doing, all right? You see a lot more of the broken deck. Okay, so again, full demo.
No. Casi se ve en uno.
Hello? Yeah, I saw it.
All right, we got the pool tore out. We got the deck tore out. We got about half the job done. All right, I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a panning shot. What we got going on. Doing some time-lapse photography. That part of the yard's already been cleared out. Been put in the truck. And so once again, you can really see what we're dealing with here. This is full demolition where we're going to be replacing the entire deck. New construction. Tear out of the old, build the new. Kind of like a metaphor for life. Always creating something new out of pieces of the old. Always got to be deep, you know? There he is. There he is. There he is. The most chingon vato ever.
What's happening, guys?
The most chingon vato I ever seen.
You see everything over there, vato?
Yes, vato, I do.
Fucking chingon.
Muy chingon. Yes. This is the biggest, baddest motherfucker from... Where are you from?
El Salvador.
From El Salvador.
Mexico, vato.
Listo.
Listo.
Órale, güey.